Click on link in my description to go to download page of Visual Studio. If you don't know what it is, no matter you're going to install any tool, you will need to have Visual Studio installed. It's most important tool which help building applications. With not having install, you will get errors like C++ not found. In this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio, and most importantly what packages to have installing for running applications. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. On main page, click on Get Free Download option. This will start download Visual Studio installed. Once file downloaded, double-click on it to install. Click Continue. Once it's done, you will see this Choose Desktop Development C++ box only. On right side you will see option, scroll down and click on latest version of MSVC and latest version of SDK. This now only support Win 11. And choose C++ CL and C++ CLNG. At the bottom right, click on Install. If you already installed something, click Modify. This will start downloading packages. Once it's done, you will see it. If you installed more than one, you need to remove others and only keep one. And that's it. You now have Visual Studio installed and configured with all the essential components needed to run most AI tools, face swap applications, and other C++-based software without those frustrating compiler errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. If you run into any issues during the installation, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.